A little girl, around 6 years old, sits quietly by the roadside with a small box in her hands. Her dress is torn, her hair messy, but her eyes, innocent and full of hope. She's holding a faded photo of a woman, whispering softly, "Please help my mommy, she's sick, please." People walk by, some glance, most ignore. The camera zooms in, her lips trembling as she holds out the photo. But fate was watching that day. Across the street, a luxury black car stops in front of a tall glass building, headquarters of Alexander Corp., owned by Ethan Alexander, a young billionaire CEO known for his cold heart and sharp business mind. Inside, Ethan is scrolling through news updates when his assistant rushes in. "Sir, this photo has gone viral online, a poor girl begging to save her sick mother." Ethan frowns. "And why should that matter to me?" But then, he looks at the photo. The world freezes. His heart skips a beat. The girl's eyes, those same blue eyes he once looked into years ago. The same small dimple when she smiles. And in her tiny hands, the photo she's holding, it's his ex-wife, Lena. Ethan's breath catches. He whispers, "No, it can't be." He immediately stands up. Find out where that picture was taken. His assistant rushes out, shocked by the sudden change in his usually calm boss. Cut to the little girl still sitting by the road, shivering slightly. A kind woman stops by, drops a few coins, and asks gently, "What's your name, sweetheart?" The girl replies, "I'm Lily, my mommy's very sick, the hospital says she needs surgery. I'm trying to help." Her voice breaks. Tears fill the woman's eyes. She records a short video and posts it online. Within hours, millions see it. But one man feels it differently, Ethan. Scene change, Ethan's car races through the city. He stops near the same street, jumps out, scanning the area desperately. And there she is, little Lily, sitting by the same old lamppost. Ethan walks closer, heart pounding. She looks up, frightened at first, then curious. "Hi," he says softly. "What are you doing here all alone?" "I'm helping mommy," she answers. "She's sleeping in the hospital. I'm saving money for her." Ethan kneels, his hands shaking. "Can I see your mommy's picture?" She hands it to him. His eyes fill with tears. It's Lena, the woman he loved, the one he lost years ago because his pride was greater than his heart. He whispers, "Lena." Flashback sequence begins, soft warm filter. Ethan and Lena are young, in love, full of dreams. But his obsession with success tore them apart. She left quietly, pregnant, never asking for a penny. He never knew about the child. Flashback fades. Ethan's voice trembles, "Sweetheart, your mommy, she's my..." He stops, choking on emotion. "Can you take me to her?" Scene shift, hospital ward. The room is dim. Machines beep softly. Lena lies weak on the bed, pale but peaceful. The little girl runs in, "Mommy." A kind man came to help. Lena opens her eyes slowly, and freezes. Her lips part. "Ethan." He steps closer, tears falling freely. "I'm sorry, Lena. I didn't know. I didn't know I had a daughter. I didn't know you were suffering." She smiles faintly. Life had other plans. Ethan takes her hand. "Not anymore. I'll fix everything. I'll make sure you both never suffer again." Doctors rush in as Ethan orders immediate treatment. He pays the full bill, and more. Days pass. Lena recovers slowly. Ethan visits every day, spending hours with Lily, learning what it means to be a father. One evening, as they watch the sunset through the hospital window, Lily sits between them. She looks up and says, "Daddy, will mommy get better now?" Ethan smiles, hugging her. "Yes, sweetheart. She will. I promise." Lena looks at him, the same man she once loved, now changed, humbled, and full of regret. "I thought I'd lost you forever," she whispers. He replies, "Sometimes, losing everything is what makes you realize what truly matters." Scene fades, soft piano music swells. Months later, the same street, but now brighter. Lily stands by a charity banner, "Helping kids like me." Ethan and Lena stand proudly beside her, supporting the foundation they started, to help families in need. The camera pans up as Ethan narrates softly. Money builds empires, but love builds hearts. Never ignore those who once stood beside you when you had nothing. Because sometimes, the poorest hands hold the richest hearts.